Welcome to the MergeTech demo. I'd just like to start by giving you a quick overview of what the MergeTech software is all about. Now, essentially, it's a data management control software. So it's taking all the information that's required to run the SODICK, putting it all together in one big program that you can then simply run on the machine with a setting sheet. So it's taking the NC file, the positional data, the electrode pocket positions, the tank height adjustments, all that data, and merging it all together as one big program. There are some great advantages of using the MergeTech software. Firstly, it really does simplify and speed up the EDM manufacturing process. You can work offline, so your machine is always running. You're mistake proof because you're using technology to do the manufacturing process. You can even split and assign different tasks to multiple people, as all the tasks within the EDM manufacturing process are done offline. And when utilizing zero-point transfer, the changeover times of both parts and electrodes is dramatically speeded up and simplified. So there are 4 files that need to be imported into the MergeTech software. The first one is the positional data, then the NC data, and the CMM data for both the electrode and the part for zero-point transfer. Once that is imported in via groups, then you can build a program as large as you like, which will be merged together to create one big program that can be sent straight to the machine. So for this demo, we have 3 components, 2 components A and component B. Everything is zero transferred, so everything will be put straight on the machine. And also with the electrodes, they're all zero-point transferred as well. So we have 6 electrodes in total. First one is sparking on both A components as just a finisher. Second and third is a rough and a finish on part A, and then the last 3 are on part B, a rough, semi-finish and finish. So this is the MergeTech software as you would open it up. So we're going to create a merged program with the 3 components and the associated electrodes. Okay, so first of all, we need to add a part to the group. Search for that part, and I want to put the information in to give me the name. That can also be typed. Pick a datum. If I wanted to set the datum on the SODICK machine, I can select to do that. Or if the datum is already set on the machine, I can also select that. But I want to do a zero-point transfer. So what it's asking for is zero-point transfer data, which is the position from the datum point of the zero-point transfer fixturing to the point where the component is. All right, so to set the tank height, all you need to do is give the component height. It knows how much you want to have the dielectric above the actual part. If I wanted to set it on the machine, I can simply just select that and it will tell me to set it on the machine. Which zero-point transfer position do I want to send it to? Position 1. So this is position 1, this is position 2. Okay. I want to add another part, which is your second part. I'm going to search for that part. I'm going to give this a datum. Just note that it's telling you that that datum is already used, so you can't use it. So I'll select my new datum. Also zero-point transfer. The zero-point transfer data is there. Tank height, the component height is 70, and it's also going into position 1. Now it thinks that's one component. So I'm going to add the first electrode, which is that one, which is sparking on both components. So I'll search for the NC file. So electrode 1, NC file. Now it's looking in that folder, and it's going straight to the XML file for the positional data. All right, it knows there's one electrode in there. It puts all the information in the relevant place, so it's giving you the name. It's asking for the pocket position, in this case 1, and the zero-point transfer for the electrode. if I wanted to do a machine operation forward or reverse or conventional, I can select here. So I'm going to go forward. Okay, first electrode in. So the second electrodes are the rough and the finish, which is going on both components. So I'm going to search again. This time I'm going to electrode 2. Search for the XML data. And now it knows there's 2 electrodes involved in this program. Double click, it puts all the information in there for me. I want to put that in pocket position 2 and give it the CMM data. Also pocket position 3 and the CMM data. This one's gonna EDM forwards, this one reverse. Okay, so that's your program for there. Now we're going to do this one. So I'm going to add another group and I'm going to add a part. Search again, this time for part B. Go to datum and 0-point transfer again. The information, so that is this information now. So that's the part from the datum, it's a position, sorry, from the datum point of the 0-point fixture to the actual component. This component is 100 high and it's going to go on to position 2, which is that's position 2. Okay, I'm going to add these 3 electrodes, the rough, semi-finish and finish. Searching for electrode 3 this time. Got the NC file. Select the XML positional data. Now it knows there's 3 electrodes involved. So it's doing a lot of work for you. Pocket position 4 and the CMM data 5 and so on. That's 6. So that's all the information for the electrodes. I want to machine forwards, reverse, forwards. Okay, program done. How easy is that? Alright, so now I want to merge it. Put my name in there, as that documents who's created it. So that's created the combined merged NC program. You can see it and it's telling you exactly what's going on all the way through the program. And it's also created a very user-friendly setting sheet which tells you exactly where to put the parts and all the electrodes in which pocket position. Okay, I'd just like to make the point that everything we've done here, so for example the EPX, the NC file, the CMM data for the electrodes and parts, this has all been done offline while the machine's been running. So the machine downtime is minimal. Now, if you're utilizing 0-point transfer, the actual changeover time is minutes. You're just taking things off and putting things back on the machine. Okay, so thank you for watching the demo. If you would like any more information, please just contact MergeTech and we will be very happy to help. Thank you. Bye-bye.